morning to all. Welcome to my channel. I am Devi. Today we are going to study about algebraic expression and identities exercise 9.5. So we have already studied about algebra, algebraic expression, factorization, polynomial, identities, etc. To know this, please see my previous video. My channel name is Devi Ram Mohan. Today we are going to discuss about three types of problems. First one is how to find the product using identities. How to find the product. Second one is prove that or show that. Third one is evaluate. These three types of problems we are going to study today. Remaining problems we can study on another session. Before going to study about the problems, we should know this exponential formula. A to the power of r whole raised to x equal to a to the power of rx. That is this formula, or a to the power of r into a to the power of s equal to a to the power of r plus s. ab whole raised to r is a raised to r into b raised to r. Especially the second formula we are using in this problem. So today we are going to study these three formulas also. Okay, this just by heart the formula. Remaining I will take when that chapter take, I will explain it. Okay, a to the power of r whole raised to s is a to the power of rs. Here we have used first problem, we have used identity x plus 3 the whole square. That is a plus b the whole square we have used. So how we will form x square plus 9 plus 6x. The next is 2y plus 5 the whole square. 2y the whole square plus 5 square plus 2 into 2y into 5. That is 4y square plus 25 plus 20y is the answer. Then next is we are using the formula a minus b the whole square, 2a minus 7 whole square, 4a square plus 49 minus 28a. This same way we have to solve. Then fifth problem is we should know about the decimal addition and decimal multiplication. How we will just add the numbers and copy the decimal. That is a simple way of doing decimal addition. Multiply means just multiply the numbers and count it, how many decimals coming and put them. That is 1.1 whole square is 1.21. 11 into 11, we know that 121. That is decimal, 1 point decimal, again 1 point decimal. So count 2 decimals. So 1.2, 2 point we are putting the decimal. From the right side, we are putting 2 point decimal, 1.21. So like that we have to solve. Here the formula is one is a plus b and another is a minus b. So we have to use the formula a square minus b square, that is 1.1 whole square m square minus 0.4 whole square. Next is a2 plus b2 into minus a2 plus b2. We can write like that a2 plus b2 plus a2 into b2 minus a2. Can also, so b2 one is plus and another is, so b square whole to the power of square minus a square whole to the power of square. Here a2 note a to the power of a square, that is the correct way. So a square plus b square minus a square plus b square. So b to the power of 4 minus e to the power of 4 is the answer. Next is also a plus b into a minus b formula. Next is also c minus a into c minus a. So c minus a the whole square, c square plus a square minus 2ac. Next is also a raised to m, and that formula here using 9th problem. X square plus 3y to the power of 4 whole square. Here 2r plus, so we are using the a plus b whole square formula. Next is 2 or minus. So there we are using a minus b whole square formula. Okay. If both sides are plus, you have to use a plus b whole square. Both are minus, you have to use a minus b whole square formula. One is plus and another is minus, you have to use a plus b into a minus b. I hope all of them understand this problem.
Here x square plus 3 y to the power of 4 whole square. Therefore x to the power of 4 plus 9 y to the power of 8 plus 6 x square y to the power of 4. That is the answer on the 9th question. Okay. Can we go to the next session? Next session they have asked to show that 3x plus 7 whole square minus 84x equal to 3x minus 7 whole square. This is the question they have asked. A plus b whole square minus 84x, the left hand side, that is right hand side a minus b whole square formula form. So we have just take the left hand side and expand the equation. Expand using algebraic identities. Okay, just take it and expand using algebraic identity. Just take the left hand side, 3x plus 7 whole square minus 84x. So expanding a plus b the whole square formula, we got 9x square plus 42x plus 49 minus 84x. One is plus and another is minus. So greater one minus, here like terms together added. So 84x and 42x. So you got minus sign here. And the right hand side is also a minus b the whole square. So you got the formula like this. So left hand side equal to, you got left hand side equal to right hand side. So you have just proved that equation is right. On the same way, another problem is also we have to do. 9p minus 5q whole square plus 180pq equal to 9p plus 5q the whole square. So 9p a minus b whole square, just apply the formula of a minus b whole square. We got 81p square minus 90pq plus 25q square plus 180pq. So we got 81p square plus 90pq plus 25q square. That is that right hand side also, if you expand that a plus b whole square formula, you got that which is equal to the left hand side. So your answer is proved. They have asked to show that this portion will be equal to that portion. You have shown that. And but fifth problem is for third and fourth problem is also same like that only. And the fifth problem, it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. And another is b minus c into b plus c. C minus a into, all is in the form of a plus b into a minus b formula. So first is a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. B minus c into b plus c, b square minus c square. C minus a into c plus a, c square minus a square. So a square plus a square minus a square get cancelled. Plus b square minus b square set cancel. And plus c square minus c square set gets cancelled. So we got the answer 0. So can we move to the next session? Evaluate. By using identity, you have to evaluate the following questions. 71 square. That is 71 square. You have to here using, you have to use a plus b whole square identity you have to use. 71 square is 70 plus 1 square. That is 70 square plus 2 into 70 plus 1 into plus 1 square. So you got 5. 7 square is 49. You got 0 square is 2, put 2 zeros plus 140 plus 1. So just answer, you got 71 square is 5041. Using these identity, 99 square. Look, 71 square, here we will use the a plus b whole square identity we will be used. 71, so 70 plus 1, we can easily write like that. 99 square, so here we will use 100 minus 1 the whole square, that is a minus b the whole square formula he will use. and just apply the formula, expand the formula like that. That is 100 minus 1 whole square. 100 square minus 2 into 100 into 1 plus 1 square. Like that we have to expand it and just add the number. Like that. 102 square. Which formula here use? 100 plus 2 square. 998 square. That is 1000 minus 2 square we have used. 5 plus 0.2 square. That will be used. And here two numbers came means you have to use the formula a plus b into a minus b. Look, that formula is in the form of, here 3 is subtracted, there 3 is added. So you can easily use the formula a minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square, that formula. 78 into 82. It's also same like that. 8.9 square, that 9 minus 0.1 square. You can use that formula. 1.05 into 9.5. So 1 plus 0.5 into 1 minus 0.5. A plus b into a minus b. The two numbers given means you have just look that number. If it is subtracted same number and added same number, mean you can use the formula a plus b into a minus b. And if look that formula, if it is 70 plus, anyway you can solve. Okay, you can this 71 square, so 70 plus 1 square. A plus b whole square identity is very suitable and easy for here. You can solve 71 into 71 also. But using identity they have asked, so you can use the identity here. It's also easy for using identity. So 70 plus 1 you can use. Note 100 minus something also 71 will give. 71 what number we have added? Different numbers added you will get. Look, 99. Now you can use 90 plus 9 whole square is also. A plus b whole square formula you can use. But it is easy that 100 minus 1 whole square formula using is easy. A minus b whole square formula using is very easy here. According to your wish, you can look that which identity is more suitable and use the formula. Here a plus b, just put the formula and write the formula and just add the number, you will get answer. Just 998, 1000 minus 2 whole square. Here a minus b whole square formula is more easy. Since 10 means you have to 10 you can easily multiply. If 90 plus 8, 900 plus 8 is, so it is easy. 1000 minus 2 is very easy. Same way 100 and 2. 100, if you put 100 and something means it will be very easy for calculating. That is why they have put like this. 99 square means 100 minus 1 whole square. It will be easy rather than 90 plus 9 whole square. Okay. So they have used this formula. So I don't want to bore you. Thank you for listening. Wish you all good luck and have a wonderful day. We can see more problems on next session.